林老师不好意思，如果我在商店的时候，然后老板问我你在找什么，我可以回答我正在只逛逛吗？学生常犯的错误 ，common mistakes made by students。嗨，大家好 ，Welcome back， 欢迎回来。如果今天是你第一次来到我的频道呢，也欢迎你加入我们这个学中文的平台。Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, or share my channel with other learners of Chinese. With your support, which really motivates me to film more videos. 那我想要先谢谢大家，因为你们我才可以做这一集。那其实我平常还蛮仔细看大家的留言的。那今天我要来从这些留言挑出一些很经典的错误。那另外的部分是我常听到外国学生犯的错误，所以我们今天要从错误中学习。那我想强调，我觉得错误很宝贵，所以错误没有什么关系，就是学语言就是要一直去犯错。那你再从错误中学习就可以了。所以如果你希望我再做第2集，那你也请留言告诉我好不好？那我们现在就来看第一个，有趣和实用，非常感谢您。有趣和实用，非常感谢您。OK， 非常感谢您。This is a beautiful sentence. 非常感谢，Thank you so much. So it has the meaning that you are grateful for me. 谢谢你。有趣和实用，有趣和实用。So here is the mistake. So how would you correct it? 有趣 interesting, 实用 practical. So two adjectives here. You cannot connect two adjectives with 汉 By the way, in Taiwan, we say 汉 instead of 和 okay? It's usually person, 汉 person. To connect two adjectives, we need to use two structures. 又 又 又 adjective 又 adjective. So it becomes 又实用又有趣又实用又有趣。If you want to sound more native-like, you can just omit the first 又 Okay? 有趣又实用，有趣又实用。There you go. You sound just like a native speaker. 第二个，很 adjective 也很 adjective， 很有趣也很实用，很有趣也很实用。It has the same effect and it's also very colloquial and common. 第二个，这个课很棒，这个课很棒。This lesson is great. OK， 我常常在 Instagram 看到有人留这个给我。Here it's perfect to say 很棒。However, the problem is the measure word. OK, for 课 we use 堂 as a measure word. 这堂课很棒，这堂课很棒，这堂课很棒。However, the thing is, when you leave comments on social media, the subject is usually left out. The subject should be omitted because the context is very clear. If you say 这堂课, it's redundant and not natural at all. You just need to say 很棒，很棒. That's it. Or try to say this. 很棒的影片，很棒的影片 ，great content， 很棒的内容，很棒的内容，内容 content。第3个，台北捷运很干净，我常常在捷运看到有人洗干净，我常常在捷运看到有人洗干净。Taipei MRT is clean. I often see people cleaning in the MRT. party。我常常在捷运看到有人洗干净。Okay, so for me, 洗干净，洗干净。I understand the meaning. This student wants to say to clean. However, when you use 洗, so it's something related to use water to clean up. Okay? For example, 把手洗干净，把手洗干净。Wash your hand. 把手洗干净。Okay, that's just not very general and kind of weird to say this. So you can change 洗干净 into 清洁、打扫。清洁、打扫。Both means clean, but 洁 has meaning of purify. So I would imagine, okay, this also includes to disinfect the bacteria, or it's kind of like a total cleaning. 打扫 Okay, 扫 to sweep the floor. Okay, this gives me this image to sweep something, to clean something on the floor. I think the most appropriate would be 清洁打扫. So it becomes 台北捷运很干净，我常常在捷运看到有人清洁打扫，清洁打扫。Student might use other thing. It's 弄干净，弄干净。Okay, in this case, you cannot say 弄干净 because if you say 弄干净, I assume something is dirty. That's why you need to clean it up. Imagine you see a mess and you would say 弄干净，把桌子弄干净，把桌子弄干净。Clean up the table. 第4个，谢谢你创造了这个视频。谢谢你创造了这个视频。Thank you for creating this video. 要怎么改？Two things here. 创造，创造。Okay, 创造, yeah, it means to create, but usually it's like you invent something. It's a bit weird to use 创造. We tend to use the word 拍影片。拍影片，拍 is to film. 影片 video. The Chinese, they say 视频，视频。However, Taiwanese Mandarin, we say 影片，影片，影片。The correction should be 谢谢你拍这个影片，谢谢你拍这个影片。Or 谢谢你拍这样的影片，谢谢你拍这样的影片，谢谢你拍这样的影片。第5个是一个学生的问题，林老师不好意思，如果我在商店的时候，然后老板问我你在找什么，我可以回答我正在只逛逛吗？ Okay, I'm just browsing, I'm just checking things out. Can you say 我正在只逛逛？我正在只逛逛。我正在只逛逛。那其实最简单，然后我平常最常用、最常说的就是没关系，谢谢。没关系，谢谢。没关系 ，It's okay, I'm good, 谢谢。When you say that, they will leave you alone. If they really want to push you buying things, you just keep saying 没关系，谢谢，没关系，谢谢。Or 我看看而已，我看看而已。I'm just checking things out. 我看看，看 to look 而已，而已。I just wanna do this. 我看看而已，我看看而已。我看看而已，我看看而已。Or you can say 我看一下而已，我看一下而已。It has the same effect. 我看一下而已。第6个，便利商店很方便，不管什么时候，不管几点，都可以去买东西。便利商店很方便，不管什么时候，不管几点，都可以去买东西。你觉得要怎么改？其实这个句子没有错 ，OK， 这个句子其实很好，但是 有一点长，不管什么时候 ，no matter when， 不管几点 ，no matter what time。OK， 这个句子太长了，那其实说随时就可以了，随时，随时。便利商店很方便，随时都可以去买东西。便利商店很方便，随时都可以去买东西。随时，随时都可以去买东西。随时 ，at any time, no matter when。所以我发现，对程度好的学生来说，其实有的时候可以尽量缩短你的句子，不然有的时候句子会变得太长。So you can express yourself in an efficient way。音调的问题，我懒得去，我懒得去。I'm lazy to go， 我懒得去。我懒得去，我懒得去，懒 ，OK， 懒。So it's down and up。我懒得去，我懒得去。我懒得去 ，if you just drop and doesn't go up， 我懒 means rubbish. If you remember my previous video, 懒 is rubbish, means you are bad at something. 我懒得去，我懒得去 I'm lazy to go. Very old. 很久，很久，很久。很旧，很旧，很旧。Okay, it's a dropping sound. The fourth tone, 第四声，很旧，很旧。这本书很旧，这本书很旧，旧。It's not 很久，久，第三声。The third tone, 久。To wait something for a long time. When you wait something for a long time, you say, 很久，很久，很久。Have you been to Taiwan? 你去了台湾吗？你去了台湾吗？It's a past experience, so we say 你去过台湾了吗？你去过台湾了吗？你去过台湾了吗？了吗 here is to check if something has done or not. 我已经去了台湾，我已经去了台湾。我已经去过台湾了，我已经去过台湾了。去过 ，so you have done this, you have been there. 过 plus past experience. 去过台湾了 Here 了 is a completed action 我已经去过台湾了那今天就这样希望在下个影片中可以见到你们哦拜拜